Nice. Okay, hi. Are you hungry? Yeah? Oh my god, I know. I'm gonna feed you. I'm making you a 3-course meal. How do you feel about it? Are you hungry? There's tiny meatballs in the oven for you. Look at his tail. He's losing his mind. He's losing it. His hamster tail. Let me see your hamster tail. Let me see your hamster tail. Yeah! Hamster tail! Ah, okay, sorry, I'm getting excited. I'm gonna make my dog a 3-course dinner. Cause I'm losing my mind. Life has just felt like this one big blur's day. Today, I'm gonna do something a little bit ridiculous. I feel like we should normalize making your dog a 3-course meal. You're just like, oh yeah, I just made my dog a 3-course meal. It's chill. I mean, why not? Their time on this earth is so freaking short. I would lose my damn mind if I had to eat the same dry, sad food every day of my life, of my existence. I'm realizing right now as I'm filming this video that I did not really plan it very well. What is mental health? Stability. I'm just out here trying to figure out how to make emotional instability look like an aspirational aesthetic. I am just gonna work with what we have. Oh my god, it's also, I just realized that it's National Dog Day today too. I'm gonna see what we have in the fridge and then get started. All right, for his 1st course meal, I'm gonna make him a little 1-inch salad with some sliced frozen blueberries, just a little bit. Nothing fancy, no olive oil, no seasoning, nothing too crazy because he's a dog. I mean, I can't like spice it up too much for him. His sliced up, his diced up spinach. He's actually like orbiting around here right now because I haven't fed him yet. Because if he's gonna have a 3-course meal, he can't be eating all of his kibbles too. He's gonna crap in my bed like 2 a.m. Just a couple of blueberries. Rupert loves blueberries. So do I. I'll probably eat these later, to be honest. Pro tip. Oh, I hate when people say pro tip. Random tip, freezing your blueberries is, I'm gonna sound like a douchebag, is a game changer. No, but really, it is because I don't know why I always forget to eat blueberries. So good. I'm gonna slice these up, and I think that by the time that he is served, they will have thawed out, so they won't be frozen anymore, so it's fine. Oh my god, his salad is ready. It's so fucking cute. I'm dead. I'm hungry. This is so ridiculous. I am the most ridiculous person I know, honestly. For the main course, I am going to make him tiny meatballs. So I have this grass-fed organic patty from Trader Joe's that I thawed out earlier. I'm not gonna give him the whole patty because he's gotten a little chunky during quarantine. He's gained a couple lbs. Honestly though, haven't we all? So, this is embarrassing. Look at this little meatball. Little tiny meatball. So I'm just using a teaspoon to measure these out. I'm not gonna put seasoning in them or anything. I am forming these adorable meatballs as his main course, and I'm gonna bake them. I'm pretty sure dogs can eat raw food, but I don't typically normally give him raw food. Bland ass meatball. So right now I'm just forming them. This is so cute. I'm aware that you're either in camp. This is freaking adorable. Oh my god, this girl's making her dog a 3-course meal. That's so cute. And there's people that are like, oh god, she's one of those cringy people that is making her dog, thinks her dog is a baby. Kind of both, yeah. I love my dog so much, and I love him, and I've never made him a 3-course meal before, and honestly, I'm just kind of bored with the whole life situation of this pandemic and like how the joy of our lives has been sucked out of the air since March. Stay safe, wear a mask. So, you know, I just needed to do something stupid. I just needed to do something that was safely reckless. Get crazy, get wild. So that's what I'm doing. This is how I rebel now at the not so tender age of 34, although still pretty tender. In your 20s, you used to tear up the dance floor at the club, and now you make your dog meatballs, okay? This is so funny. Look at these tiny meatballs. Oh my God. I'm dying, I'm crying. Fucking tiny little meatballs. They're literally the size of a teaspoon. Rupert, are you ready to eat tiny meatballs? The tiny meatballs? Yeah, you smell it? Smells good, huh? I'm gonna put his tiny ass meatballs onto a baking sheet. Haha. I am making his 3rd course, which is his dessert. It's gonna be a pumpkin sweet potato pudding. I found these frozen sweet potatoes that I had in the fridge, and I happen to have a can of pumpkin, organic pumpkin, so that's good for the boot scoot too, because it's got that fiber. In case you didn't know what boot scoot is, it's when they get, you know what, you don't need to know, it's not important. I'm just gonna do a little bit because he's already gonna eat a lot with the salad and the meatballs. So I think I'm gonna do 2 little of these little sweet potato bricks or whatever. I'm gonna microwave them to thaw them. And this is about a tablespoon of sweet potato. Ow, fingers burned. I'm just gonna do about a tablespoon, I'm gonna eye it, of the pumpkin puree to make his pumpkin pudding. Not very fancy, but he's gonna love it. For presentation purposes, I'm going to put this in a new vessel just so it looks like gourmet. His tiny meatballs are ready. His tiny meatballs are ready. They're so cute. Tiny meatballs. Here in order, we have his 1st course, his salad. His little tiny meatballs. And his pumpkin pudding. He is ready. I think he knows, you guys. I think he knows. The hamster tail. The hamster tail. Okay. All right, I'm gonna give this little fur baby his 3-course meal. Look, this is for you. This is your salad. This is your salad. Look at, eat it. He's a little freaked out. But he's not that formal. Oh my God, come here, eat your salad. Look. You don't like it? He's never eaten in a chair before, so he got a little freaked out. Come here. I don't think he likes it. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the floor and see what he does. Do you want, okay, you wanna eat your 3-course meal on the floor? He's not a big salad eater. Right. Yes, meatballs. Okay, it's gone, Jesus. Oh my God. He liked the meatballs. Why don't you eat that spinach graveyard over there? Oh, your pumpkin puree, yes! And look at that pile of spinach that he spit out. Yes, clean it up. Eat your spinach, eat your greens. Don't you want to be healthy? I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of ridiculous video. I enjoyed making it. It was fun. My dog had a blast. I am going to clean up the spinach massacre, and that's it for today. So thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. I hate spinach. It's disgusting. Bye.